General contractors have a lot on their plate. They're responsible for pretty much every element of a project. By incorporating iSPAN's cold-form steel solutions into mid-rise construction projects, the task of being a GC is a lot less daunting. General contractors have told us why they chose iSPAN. Here are some reasons they gave us. Cold-form steel framing is prefabricated to the exact size you need. This ensures that most discrepancies are found and corrected prior to the start of construction by iSPAN's design team. They work with architects to rectify the issues before you even know about them. Connecting joists with other structural elements is easily accomplished, and iSPAN's proprietary joists have access holes that allow mechanical, electrical, and plumbing to be installed faster and easier. Each joist comes with adjustable feet on each end that gives installation crews the flexibility to make minor adjustments as needed prior to screwing the joist into the load-bearing wall. Two guys with minimal construction experience can do the installation. A framer once told us that if a crew member can read, count, and use a tape measurer, they can use iSPAN. You will receive a customized installation plan, numbered to correspond with each component of the project. Most importantly, the iSPAN team is available for support up until completion of the entire project. Thank you to our general contractors for sharing these insights. If you're interested in learning more about iSPAN's suite of cold-form steel structural solutions, please contact us today for a no-obligation discussion about these benefits and many more.